In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Notion. Connecting two powerful project management and knowledge-based tools like Trello and Notion can really streamline your workflow, but it's important to understand that a direct native integration or an official Trello power-up specifically for Notion isn't something you'll typically find directly within Trello's core features. Instead, achieving this connection usually involves leveraging third-party automation tools or Notion's own flexible capabilities. So let's dive right in and understand the best ways to achieve this. The first approach, and arguably the most powerful one, is to use a third-party automation platform. Tools like Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, or even IFTTT are designed precisely for connecting applications that don't have a direct native link. Here's how it generally works. You would set up an automation or workflow in one of these services. First, you choose Trello as your trigger app. For example, a trigger could be when a new card is created or when a card is moved to a specific list. Once you've defined your trigger in Trello, the next step is to choose Notion as your action app. The action could be create a new database item, update an existing page, or add a comment. These platforms act as a bridge, listening for changes in Trello and then performing the specified action in Notion, truly integrating your data. Moving on, the next option involves exploring Notion's integration capabilities. Notion has a robust API, application programming interface, that allows external tools and services to interact with it. While this is what the third-party automation tools leverage, if you're comfortable with a bit more technical setup, or if you're using a tool that directly supports Notion's API, you can sometimes configure connections more directly. Once you're on a Notion database or page, look for the Connect options or settings related to integrations, especially if Notion has introduced new native features or partnerships that might facilitate webhooks or direct connections with a broader range of services. And for a simpler, less automated approach that still brings Trello and Notion together, consider embedding or linking. You can easily copy the URL of a Trello board or a specific Trello card and paste it into a Notion page. Notion is smart enough to often create a neat bookmark or even an embedded preview of the Trello content. This isn't a live, two-way sync, but it's an excellent way to consolidate information and provide quick access to your Trello data from within your Notion workspace. So, while there isn't a magic Connect to Notion button directly in Trello, these methods provide powerful ways to link your Trello boards and Notion pages, keeping your projects and knowledge seamlessly organized. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your favorite integration tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity hacks.